Display also shows the machine status, direction of rotation, electric motor load, and time. Before putting the bike in the machine, please check that all through axles and skewers are properly tightened. Choose the roller rotation for the front or rear wheel as necessary. Choose the direction of rotation with the buttons on the top of the machine toward the touchless sensors on the sides. Take the bike and place the front wheel into the machine. The machine will start rolling automatically. Hold the bicycle securely and lightly and ensure proper traction between the tire and rollers. The bicycle needs to be straight in the machine. Putting a line on the floor will help you to line the bike up perfectly. For the first 5 seconds, the load of the electric motor will be calibrating for the load. The status LED light will be flashing. When the calibration is complete, the status light will turn solid. The pull light will turn on. Begin to apply the brakes. Apply the brakes gently. Increase the braking force until the LED load lights begin to turn green. When the load lights are in the green zone, the countdown timer will start. If the load drops out of the green zone, the countdown timer will pause. Increase or decrease braking force to bring the load into green and the timer will resume. Complete the process by following the pull and release lights and the load and time LEDs. When the first braking cycle is complete, the release light will illuminate. Release the brake to begin the first cooling cycle. When the bedding process is complete, the rollers will automatically stop turning. After changing the direction of rotation, repeat the process with the rear wheel. When bedding in the rear brake, put one hand on the saddle and one hand on the handlebars to ensure proper stability and traction. Make sure the bike is straight in the machine. If you lean the bike, it will be unstable.
Yeah. Well, I mean, it's for the new brakes, but yeah, I mean, these are already bedded. Yeah.
No, they're not. It's a brand new. It's brand new rotor and MTX pads, and they're still squealing. I can't figure it out.
Okay. Well, we should first. I can try to clean it first with some alcohol, because on that it's just gonna create maybe some more heat over it. But I can clean the disc and we can try it.
If you want.
Is it like how brand new is it? You
yeah,
wrote it
brand new. Like I wrote it. It's got like 4 hours of riding.
Okay. So basically, what you do is when you put the front wheel in it, what you want to do is you want to put the load a little bit in, so the status is gonna say, it's gonna tell you what's the load you're putting in. If it's too heavy, sometimes it's too heavy, you gotta lift it up. We're still figuring out the machine a little bit because it's brand new.
Okay.
So yeah.
It's just only made for by new brakes, yeah?
For new brakes, yeah. And when it's spinning like that, you can see the load right now. The machine says red, so it's not enough friction on the roller. So I need to brake a little bit more. I need to hold the bike too. You need to hold the bike until it's green. Then when it's green, that means you got a good.
Oh yeah.
Did you bleed your brakes?
Yep.
Yeah. It was kind of weird.
It's like a
It was
spongy.
acting.
Spongy.
Yeah.
Spongy, yeah.
I mean, just the bite right now is insane. You can try it. Just try it right now. Because I don't want to do the
Oh, it
full
feels
6
so
cycle.
good. Feels way better.
You want to do just a run, just to see if it's squeak again? Pas l'arrière.